What are we all Gracie and MC kick off on social media? What a piece of drama. MC went live and the guys to talk about it and talk up some bag of things. Gracie a travel her, people. Gracie a think some stone over the fence. But you look at them connect thing in a MC head. So MC went live and address Gracie and talk up the things them people. So get in it I can share. Me say guys, what are we all other day? Gracie call MC and tell her to leave her man alone. Me say people, me couldn't believe it. Me say me couldn't believe it. Because me I said to myself, say, I don't think Gracie have a man, but I doubt MC have one herself too. But me understand how MC and Gracie she share the same man. What a calamity, what a drama. You see me? MC I say Gracie is so provoking. Also again today, me get to understand say Gracie go over Marcia page and go write up something over there. MC say yo, you know how much years me I leave that little girl, you know she come for me live and I disturb me. Me say people, I be a mad people. Yo, people, me say what a piece of drama. Remember MC a mad man and Gracie head not so good So just imagine when this drama continue. But people, it seems as if Gracie are fast with her. But say MC are take it serious. Every little thing MC are take serious and make content out of it. Just like how Gracie try to make content out of Marcia. So I say go people, you have to provoke somebody more while and think to get the views, likes and share. But what I want to say about this thing, people, is that MC take it on a different level. MC diss up Gracie now way people. I say, yo, it's not every little thing at all more time. You must take serious or run with that thing. Yeah, because you know in yourself say Gracie not have no man. You know in yourself and things say Gracie not have no pitney. And you know in yourself say people as a call Gracie leaky. Now you come with that now on your platform. Make your members only hear what go on and you rub out the girl and talk what you want to talk. So I say, yo, what the hype for? What the big deal? What a big deal and thing now make you run it and make content outside. Me I say guys, MC is a load of shit. You see me? But upon the other hand, Gracie go faster than first. Gracie go faster than first. So Gracie get the whippings. And me know say Gracie will respond back to Marcia. And it will continue people. Because it's all about content, like and share and money. You see me? Because I believe Gracie says she have a good amount of followers them on her Facebook or YouTube. One of them two there. And Marcia counteract that and say she not have no money and she not have no big views and thing. Marcia say, yo, me I run this thing from 40 years now until now you just come to America. How much passport you change? See me? Marcia say Gracie need to go do a breast transplant because her breast them too big. She a leak. See me? And all these things. So she a breathing problem. She too big and fat. And a be the man she deal with. I say people, what a piece of sadness on social media. What a piece of sadness. Suppose you the big man. Suppose you the big 50-year-old woman that chase off Gracie. Me know say Gracie wrong people for go over for your page. But for you the woman, cuss up, be a bad dude and go out with some bag of things. So me I say that lady are more nasty. The lady are more rank and nasty and thing. You can't run no joke with MC now. Because if you run joke with her and thing, she can cuss out cloud. She tell Gracie now make money like the lady a yard. And me say, see there, she in a mix up now and she call that name. She indicate that. And I say, yo, you see it? See how she bad mind? You see how she grudgeful? Every little thing at her, she call that name in her mouth. She can't do that name without talk about the woman in her mouth. And I say, yo, you see that lady here? She very problematic. She cause a lot of trouble on social media. You see me? Because Gracie knows she a ramp with MC and she try to get a content out of it. Marcia have to respond back to it. You see me? Are your enemy, but you have to respond back to it. She never call your phone and say dirty stinking girl and disrespect you. She run a joke with you. You see me? I mean not say Gracie right people. Gracie not right because your enemy, and if you call your enemy and trouble your enemy and thing, everybody are free to go up on them live and talk with them and talk say. It all depends. You see me? Why she never call somebody else? but she decided to call MC because she realized the MC are the one on social media allow some Donna and get views. See me? In my opinion, people, maybe Gracie realized say MC thing I go on good on YouTube and she want travel her if you get some of the attention the people. Cause you know the whole thing going to people. People and people would have them differences, you know. And you know, when you're popular, that is when more are beef with you. When you're popular, that is when more I talk about you and rub it out. Forget look at the nuance. It's like the whole mix up or the whole mix up and go on social media. So me it comes on a real say you have a big platform, you have a lot of followers, them your views up. So all I need to do is you go cross by your page and try fast with you. That's why you see Tina Chin fast, it's much people. Yeah. But just for sell cake and them thing there. Why you think MC respond back to her and thing? Because when MC comes and bust out a video and talk she want to talk something, and her members only people them come over there and come listen. And when they come listen to one thing, them come buy 1 and 2 sheet. Because I say people, for all long me hear Marcia talk about Gracie, me I say, yo, Jano, is that Gracie hurt somebody for her? Me I say, I say it bonar. I say it bonar for the woman call and tell her, say, she have her man. Eh? And then Marcia talk about it, say, and your man and my man. And me I say, yo, it's like a long time she want a man because she claims she have a man for herself. So she can boast about it and talk she want to talk. So I say, boy, if she never have no man and thing, what would she do? And I thought say Gracie can do certain thing if she can do. Me I say, yo, if you're a big 50 of the year woman, where go like say she young, me if you go sit down and go take your grandpicking and thing. Me I say, yo, them big woman nowadays, them naggy young girl a chance to boss. Them just step on the internet and I go at them young. You see me? Them just step on the internet and go and say them not gonna get all one day. And them damn all. But them don't want to give somebody a chance. Them want to on top of things and go like say them is all that. But you know so Gracie a troublemaker people. Yeah, here MC also again too. And I can know say yo, Gracie can't do without she and Tina Chin. So she have to talk about she and Tina Chin to make content. I mean I say nah man, enough other people Gracie talk about. Enough other people Gracie talk about. Forget her money now and then and thing. So it's not like she have to talk about T-Girl and Curly. She don't have to talk about them. She talk about various other person and things. So me not get that thing away where MC a try get to one thing. The look of views them she get on YouTube I get to her head now. You see me? It'll get to her head right now and things. So she feels as if she come rub out Gracie and talk some bag of things. Remember the woman they tell her about her parts. Maybe Gracie are fast with her. You see me? But you know MC done and go jam you know. So that's why you see she come out now and address Gracie in the worst way. You see me? And that drama will continue. It's going to continue and then the two of them are going to make money off of them content people. So me I say, yo, you see this mix up and drama up on social media is a never ending saga. You got people that provoke people. You got people talk about people and things just to make a food. You see me? But I just say things that mix up of sell and people know the word drama. As long as somebody not hurt, people good. Somebody can always call somebody name to get money. Yeah? Somebody can always say something about somebody just to get some revenue, people. You see me? That's why you see Gracie at trouble Marcia right now because she want a piece of food of a Marcia. You see me? But people are just fun and laughter and drama, yeah, man. Yeah. You see me? Because in idea still, them are all big woman and they must know what kind of life they want to live. You see me? If they want to be peaceful and they want to quarrel with each other forever and things, guys. You see me? But thank you guys for watching the video. Big up to those who like the video. Big up to those who leave their thought in the comment section. It has been a blessing to people, and I must say, you know, keep on support the channel, keep on show the channel love, you know, give God thanks and appreciate life. You see me? Don't take anything do not take anything at all for granted. You see me? Love your brother, love your sister, always be peaceful people. Love we need. You see me? But this social media thing, I get joke if I write about no people. Yo, Gracie ain't easy, you know. MC, them take away one man. Guys, we chat to the soon.